Imagine spending hours creating products in your Shopify store, only to realize they never appear in Google Shopping. The problem usually isn't your products, it's your product feed. If your Google Merchant Center doesn't receive the correct product information, Google simply can't display your products to potential customers. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to connect your Shopify store with Google Merchant Center, create your first product feed, synchronize your products automatically, and configure the important settings that many beginners overlook. Let's get started. Welcome to episode 1 of our Shopify Google Shopping Masterclass. Now, let's begin by creating our product feed. Inside Shopify, open your product feed application. Instead of manually creating XML feeds, CSV files, and configuring every attribute yourself, this workflow automates most of the setup process while still giving you full control over important feed settings. Click Get Started to begin. First step is connecting your Google account. Sign in using the same Google account that manages your Google Merchant Center. Once you've signed in, your Merchant Center account will appear automatically. Select the correct account and continue. This connection allows your Shopify products to be submitted directly to Google Merchant Center for review and synchronization. Before Google accepts your products, it first needs to verify that you actually own your website. The application generates a verification code. Copy this code. Now open your Shopify theme editor. Enable the verification option. Save the changes. Return to the setup wizard and continue the verification process. Once verification is complete, your Shopify store is officially connected to Google Merchant Center. Now it's time to choose the country where you want to sell your products. In this example, I'm selecting the United States. The language is English. The currency is US dollar. If your business sells internationally, don't worry. You can always create additional product feeds later for different countries, languages, and currencies. Selecting the correct market ensures Google displays the right products to customers in the correct region. Next, choose your sales channel. If you're selling through your online Shopify store, keep the online option selected. If you also manage local inventory for physical stores, you'll see additional options available for local product feeds. Shipping settings can be configured later inside Google Merchant Center, so you don't need to worry about those right now. Now we've reached one of the most important settings in this entire tutorial, your product ID. If this is a brand new Merchant Center account, keeping the default product ID format is usually the best option. However, if you're migrating from another product feed application, make sure you use the same product ID format you were using previously. Changing product IDs can cause Google Merchant Center to see every product as a completely new listing. That means you could lose valuable product history and performance data. This is one of the most common mistakes people make when switching feed management tools. Next, configure your inventory synchronization. Whenever a product goes out of stock in Shopify, Google Merchant Center will automatically receive the same update. Likewise, when inventory becomes available again, your product availability will update automatically. This keeps your Google Shopping listings accurate without requiring manual updates. Now let's configure the product information that will be sent to Google. This includes your product titles, descriptions, images, prices, vendors, brands, availability, and other important attributes. If your products have valid GTIN numbers, I highly recommend including them. GTINs help Google better identify your products and often improve product matching and visibility. Direct checkout. You'll also notice an option for direct checkout. This feature allows customers to go directly to your Shopify checkout experience instead of navigating through multiple pages first. Depending on your store and customer journey, this may improve conversion rates. I recommend testing this feature to see what works best for your business. Once all your settings are configured, click Finish and start synchronizing your products. The application will now begin generating your Google Shopping product feed. The amount of time required depends on the size of your product catalog. Smaller stores usually finish within a few minutes. Larger stores naturally take a little longer. Once synchronization is complete, you'll see your products listed inside the application. Initially, many products may display a pending status. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Google Merchant Center still needs time to process, review, and approve the submitted products. Now, let's switch over to Google Merchant Center. Refresh your products section. You'll begin seeing products appear here as Google receives your product feed. Products that are available inside Shopify will display as in stock. Products that are unavailable will automatically appear as out of stock. This synchronization continues automatically whenever product information changes inside Shopify. You can also open the Data Sources section. Here you'll see the product feed connected successfully. This is one of the easiest ways to confirm that Google Merchant Center is actively receiving your Shopify product data. Before you celebrate, there's something extremely important you need to know. A perfect product feed does not guarantee product approval. Google also evaluates the quality and trustworthiness of your website. Make sure your store includes a contact page, refund policy, shipping policy, privacy policy, and terms and conditions. Your business information, logo, email address, phone number, and contact details should all be clearly visible. A clean and professional website dramatically reduces the chances of merchant center policy issues. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your Shopify store with Google Merchant Center and created your first product feed. Your products are now ready to be processed by Google. But here's something almost every beginner discovers the hard way. Even with a perfectly configured product feed, Google can still suspend your Merchant Center account. Why? Because Google reviews much more than your products. It evaluates your website quality, business information, policies, trust signals, and compliance with Merchant Center guidelines. That's exactly what we'll cover in episode 2. I'll show you how to identify and fix the most common Google Merchant Center account level issues before they affect your product approvals or shopping campaigns. Trust me, it's much easier to prevent these issues now than troubleshoot them later. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing to the channel because every episode in this masterclass builds on the previous one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in episode 2.